Hello, today we are going to rhyme. We are going to work on the first sound in words and we are going to blend. I will tell you a word and I want you to pause it and see if you can think of a few words that rhyme. The word that I want you to rhyme with is the word pine. Pine. So pause this and see if you can think of some words. Okay, did you think of vine, shine, line, mine, nine? They all have ein in them. The next thing we are going to do is say the first sound in words. I'll say a word and let's say the first sound. Minus. Minus, opposite. Opposite. Uncle. Uncle. Island. Island. Animal. Animal. Eagle. Eagle. For our last activity, I will say three sounds and we're going to blend them together to make a word. What would this word be? Ope. Ope. Rope. Fig. 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 S. S. Guess. Tuck. 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 Ace. Ace. Pace. Ham. Ham. Owl. Owl. Roll. Loom. Loom. Good job.